Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Enid Sinclair. Am I saying that right? From Wednesday. So you don't need any VIP items and you just need to adjust the hair. I use this hair in this color here and no bangs, no adjustments made. Then I use this hair in that color as well. No adjustments made. Did I do no adjustments made here? Oh, I did. Position the Z to 0.53 on this one, sorry. And no bangs. Select this hair and color it FFA7AC and that like light blonde color as well. Position the Y to 0.44, Z 0.63 and scale it the same. Grab this hair and color it the same like light blonde and then CAC3FF. I know it's a little bit purplish, but you can kind of adjust it to make it a little bit more blue. Maybe D4, D9FF. And no bangs, position the Y to 0.45, Z 0.53, rotate the X to 0.51 and scale it to 0.21. Also on this hair, I just used the bangs only for that one. Forgot to mention that. For the top, I could not find the same pattern, so I just used this. But you can use any pattern that you'd like. Also, I used this skirt in the new like flower pattern. Lastly, I just used these shoes in this like pink color, and then the rest I did white. And make sure you add the socks as well, the socks toggle, color that white. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.